Hi guys, so I did a thing. Great news. Oh my gosh. I got the apartment. Hi, you're in the new place. Hello peeps. So right now I'm just going to be going back and forth to the car, getting stuff out, getting the first round of getting stuff out of the car. I look crazy. I've not had no sleep. I'm going to get food after I do all of this because I know I needed my phone to be charged. So I'm going to give you guys a little quick haul for you guys, what I got from Dollar Tree to clean. So I got the multi-purpose. This is the cleaning, like it's the Fabulosa tube. I got me some Irish Spring soap. I know I'm gonna need more than that though. Then I got some Mr. Clean wipes, not wipes but cloth. Then I got some Dawn sponges, gloves, mask, just that on deck. And then also I got to clean, because you know they say they clean it, but necessarily you gotta clean it your way. Then I got some multi-purpose surface wipes, and then I got, did I tell you guys soap? I got some soap for the bathrooms. And yeah, that's all I got. So I'm gonna go down to the car, back, and then start cleaning. But first I'm gonna do all that. All right guys. But mainly, I am going to take my purse. Okay guys, so we made it up. I made it up in one piece. I got all of this stuff out of the trunk that's gonna be needed to go somewhere, but where? But I'm gonna be okay guys, so I got most of the stuff in. I done cleaned most of the bathrooms and stuff. My goddaughter is here, and yeah, and my best friend. She's right there. Hey. Oh, thank you.
This is the one of them.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, she's going to check out the scenery.
Come on, you letting all the hair out.
Thank you.
Girl, what you gonna do when you get groceries to bring up? Because I'm tired as hell.
There go Bestie, y'all.
Hello.
And Lily.
Say hello to the camera.
Lily. My God, baby, y'all. Look. Say hey. She said, hold on, let's see what he sees. Yeah. Man, that's right. One message. Ooh, yes, like the beach. Yes. Bubbly. Yeah. Oh. Put this right here.
Oh, now you want them, huh?
Oh, you want me now? Oh. Say hey, y'all. Say hey.
She away from behind you.
Oh, say hey. Miss Brittany.
I got the first.
Yes. Hey.
Happy juice.
Yes, happy juice. That's it. Yes. You want to have Beat? You want to have Gigi? Here, come on. Come here, Gigi. Okay. Here, I thought you cut on the finish off where I left, and yeah. And I'm gonna be on. Now I just got like mainly towels put up and also cleaning, popping off the surfaces and everything. Like the trash, of course, put away, and then now I'm going to definitely clean the surface a little bit, like really clean the surface just to make sure everything is in good ship shape. I got me some cleaning stuff just to make sure everything is in ship shape. Today has been a day. It has been a day. Okay, it has been a day. I've been up, ripping and running. I think I should crash probably about 10 tonight, like literally 10, but I'm gonna sleep at my mom's spot, of course, and then once I get everything in, because I just don't have no furniture, nothing yet. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to put the other set of gloves that I do have on. I think I want to put my utensil can. I think I'm going to put that here. Utensils. I think that looks so cute. I think I'm going to finish cleaning. I kind of let the cleaning stuff actually clean, like sit in the tubs, just so that it's good for that part. Then I got that goes in the other bathroom. Okay, like I got mainly everything that I needed to do as far as that, but I'm gonna finish cleaning. There's a table. Like where's a table that can go with it though? Yeah. I only need 4. Yeah. closer. So we're looking at stuff at the store. Let's see what. Got these 2 dark gray and purple pillows. Y'all had to come home. Eating lunch. Taco Bell, y'all. That apartment is just everything. Oh my gosh! I'm just so ready to get in there. Like move in. Completely. Hey y'all, we made it to the apartment, which I mean we.
Hi.
So Jelly just came. Donna showed up yesterday. Ooh, we done put all of this up. So boxes from my house, we put it up, and I got all my cleaning products out from I don't think I'm gonna clean today. My main goal, since I'm burnt out for right now, is getting this stuff out. As far as getting shoes, put them in the right place, and just putting stuff in place until the end of the week. And that's when we're gonna come back and do stuff. So how was it moving the stuff up?
It was fun.
It was fun. So what you think about it?
I love it.
Is it what, like overall, like how do you feel about me having my first spot?
Oh, I'm just proud of her, I love it. It's a beautiful place.
Thank you. I'm ready for it to. Y'all standing on top of one of the boxes. So I'm gonna put these 2 cups so I can just have something, here in the kitchen. I'm gonna wash them out. Excuse me. In the YouTube room, in my office. Our backdrops. There. And I'm gonna give this camera a little break. Just move a lot in here and there, but that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Currently getting our Starbucks. We have left the apartment, you guys. It was a good success getting the boxes in, even though we were tired. But now we are getting our Starbucks order. I really don't know. I mean, I know what I want, but I don't know what I want. Yes, I have 2 separate orders. Okay, the first order, I would like your strawberry coconut water drink. A medium. And the banana bread. You guys, I had a really long day. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I got more stuff to do tomorrow. But yeah, we are in the apartment, but I'm actually in my room. But I decided to come back home tonight because all my stuff is still here. But yeah, good night, guys. Bye.